Hey guys! So we've been in Bali for a couple weeks already. We've had a chance to settle in and everything. So now I want to give you guys a quick tour of our apartment here in the neighborhood of Canggu. We didn't really do much apartment hunting for this one because we knew we weren't going to be here for as long. We just kind of went on Airbnb and found a place that looked good. The place we are staying at is called AA House, and I'll show you guys around first a little bit before I get into some of the details.
We have a cozy studio apartment with a full-size bed that comes with pillows and sheets. There's also a TV with a dresser, a closet, and an AC unit. We have a small basic kitchen area that comes with a mini fridge, some essential cookingware, a gas stovetop, and a sink. Our bathroom has an open shower, but still manages to keep all the sand from the beach contained. We also have a little outdoor area with a drying rack to dry our swimsuits. Just outside our door, we have an area to hang out and store our surfboards. Outside our gate, we have a place to park our motorbikes. Next door, we have a chill cafe that has awesome $2 meals. And next to that, there's a convenience store where we can get some simple necessities.
They have a few different types of units in our complex, but the one we're staying at right now costs $380 a month, and that's with booking through Airbnb. You get a pretty good monthly discount. That includes all utilities except for electricity. Electricity costs like $50 a month, which is kind of a lot for this tiny apartment with only one room. We don't even use the AC that much, but you don't have to pay for any of the other utilities, so it's okay. The location of this place is pretty decent. We're only a 15-minute walk to the beach, like 2-minute drive. There are a bunch of restaurants and little stores nearby, and we're pretty close to the main area of Canggu. When looking on a map, it kind of looks like this place is right next to the main street of Canggu where all the action is, but we're kind of in a more residential area. We're surrounded by rice fields and cows, which is very peaceful and quiet at times, but it's actually kind of frustrating because we have to go all the way around the rice fields to get to the main area of Canggu. Luckily, we did find a little shortcut that leads us almost directly to the main part of Canggu. So instead of talking about this more, I'm just going to go head out and show you guys around the neighborhood.
First stop is the beach. It's only a 2-minute drive on the scooter, so we come here almost every morning to try to get some waves in. Surfers of different levels surf here, and if you walk further down, you'll hit restaurants and bars along the sand. It can be a very nice place for sunset also. After the beach, we'll head into town through the rice fields using the Canggu shortcut. At the end of the shortcut, there's a grocery store where we can find almost everything we need there. In the main area, you'll find a wide variety of shopping and food. From boutiques to markets, there's plenty of surfwear and bohemian-style items. The food can range from cheap, delicious local eats to pricier, Insta-worthy creations. When the sun goes down, Canggu can also be a fun place to grab a drink or have a night out as well.
Overall, I really love living in Canggu. Once you get a motorbike and find your way around, it's a really chill and nice place to live. Now I know this video was kind of short, but I hope it gave you kind of an idea of what it's like to live in this area and what types of accommodations you might be able to find. I'll probably be making a video on other things about living here, like the cost of living, so make sure to stay tuned for that. But for now, thank you guys so much for watching. If you have a question, feel free to leave a comment down below. And please make sure to subscribe if you're not already to stay up to date on my travels and for more helpful videos on living in Asia.